god. Oh, I didn't get it on camera, no! What? I didn't get it on camera!
Oh, it's fine. I just hit.
And Jordan being retards. Ah! What's the kid about to do? Oh, look at him. Look at this dude.
Ow! Ow! There's a rocket light moving away. Ow! That was pretty.
Go. Hey. Hang on. I'm not close enough because this is the far range.
I'm gonna turn around. I have a spot that I want to go.
You gotta stand up.
Huh?
You gotta stand up.
I did. I'm not doing another one.
The fresh graphic. My foot's cool, so
Graphics cost $100.
in his mind. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna ride Mason's bike right now. I'm gonna get where's my helmet? Mason's riding my bike right now, so. There we go. Ow, my ear. There we go. All ready. Oh, he missed a gear. Oh, my hair's messy. But Jordan's about to come around and rip it through on my bike. Let's see how he does. Here he comes. And he's ripping. He's ripskin. Ooh, he's flying. Let's see how good he does that in the jump.
Let me move a little bit.
Me and Mason being retards in the back.